The Oasis Raised Beds are a wonderful solution for the gardening enthusiast. They provide an opportunity for everyone to create their own personal garden. Whether you're passionate about growing beautiful plants, cultivating vegetables, herbs, or even fruits. Extremely robust, they can carry a weight of 300 kgs. They have a built-in reservoir which holds 20 litres of water, with an overflow system which means they cannot get waterlogged. There are 4 capillary wicks which are fitted into the molded-in trough. When the reservoir is filled either by rainfall or with your garden hose or watering can, they get saturated with water. On top of these wicks, a capillary mat is fitted which soaks up the water from the reservoir. Manufactured from food-grade polyethylene, the Oasis Raised Bed will not rot, split, crack or rust away. The capacity of the Oasis Raised Bed is 240 litres. We have sold these to creches, schools, tidy towns and nursing homes. They are wheelchair accessible, ensuring that gardening is an inclusive and enjoyable activity for everyone. Whether you have a patio, balcony or a larger garden, with the Oasis Raised Bed you can unlock the joys of gardening no matter your space limitations. Try it out today and cultivate your own oasis of greenery.